Hello, everyone. Join us at Mulan's Lunar New Year procession to welcome in good fortune, happiness, and prosperity. Mulan and her friends are here to celebrate this festive occasion with you.
Please join them in welcoming Mushu as we celebrate the year of the snake.
The blooming flower is a comforting symbol for Mulan, as the father taught her that she will blossom beautifully in her own time. The spirited dragon dance is one of Mulan's favorite traditions. She learned from her ancestors that the wise and powerful dragon dances across the sky to scare away bad luck and bring good fortune in the new year. When Mulan was a little girl, her mother taught her that traditionally, the ribbon dance was performed for loyalty as an expression of gratitude and honor. Mulan loves the swirling colors of the ribbons. Mulan learned to respect the strength and discipline of the martial arts from her father. This centuries-old art form celebrates the rich heritage of bravery and honor. Fan and the melon dances are two of Mushu's favorite ancient art forms. They represent beauty, grace, and delicacy. And now, Mulan and friends are honored to share the beautiful Chinese traditions and heritage of this joyous holiday. Please join them in welcoming Mushu as we celebrate the Year of the Snake. The blooming flower is a comforting symbol for Mulan, as her father taught her that she will blossom beautifully in her own time.
That's kind of scary.
Why?
The spirited dragon dance is one of Mulan's favorite traditions. She learned from her ancestors that the wise and powerful dragon dances across the sky to scare away bad luck and bring good fortune in the new year. When Mulan was a little girl, her mother taught her that traditionally, the ribbon dance was performed for royalty as an expression of gratitude and honor. Mulan loves the swirling colors